to another video. This is my second video ever, and I'm gonna play with my cat Nani. If you watched my first video, you know I have another cat, Pele, but she's sleeping and she's not that playful. So I'm gonna play with Nani, see if it's entertaining, and if it is, it's good. So yeah, Nani, come on. Nani. Nani, go. Ooh, ooh, girl. Ooh, ooh, good girl. It's above you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And she loves this toy too. I'm pretty sure this is Nani's favorite toy. Oh, she took it from me. Nani, are you just gonna drag the toy around all the time? I guess so. She's crazy right now. You just took the toy again. Why do you keep taking the toy away from me? Do you want to play with this toy now, or do you want to play with that toy? So, tug of war. I will beat you in tug of war. Well, guess you want to play with this toy? This is her favorite toy and stuff. Like, she plays every single day. She plays with this for like so long. Even if us not playing with her, she just plays it by herself and stuff. I'm gonna try to make her do a trick for you guys. Like, I taught her this trick on this thing, and I do this, and then she kind of jumps off the side and do like a trick. So we can do that. I'm thinking she's not doing it like that. Come on, Nani, come on. You can get this. You got this. Ooh, ooh. Well, this one I did that. Ooh, you're tricky. Come on, Nani. And you do it. Nani's really playful and crazy all the time when we play with her. Hi, Nani. Come on. You wanna go over here? Ooh, trying to do a trick for her again. Dang it, she's not doing the trick right now. That's sad. Because if she jumps up this. And also Nani's 5 months old too. And we got her like a month ago from the Hawaii Cat Cafe. And if you live in Hawaii, I feel like that's a great place to go because if you love cats and stuff, you can just spend time with cats. And you can adopt them, like kittens and stuff, or like, we have so many kittens if you want a kitten and stuff. They don't have much older cats because more people want kittens and stuff, so yeah. Come on, Nani. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, that was a nice trick right there. Ooh, you love that, don't you? I'm trying to do the trick now, Nani? Oh, guess not. Ooh. Come on, Nani. Come on, Nani. You want to jump on this thing? And Nani is like really playful and stuff, but and also about the Hawaii Cat Cafe, there's a cat named Poppy, and if you love cats that are like calmer and love to like spend time with you, Poppy's a really great cat. She's probably still there because people just don't want to adopt her because she has an eye problem. Like, I don't understand why, because she always like, she's just one of the sweetest cats of all time, in my opinion. When you go up to her, she will lick your face. And that's a cat we're talking about. Come on, Nani, you want to jump up here? That's not. Okay. Now I'm going to try and play with this toy that was originally not like Pele's when she got this for Christmas. I don't know if Nani likes it that much. Oh, I guess she does. Ooh. Yeah. You cannot take, you cannot take this from me. You may not take this from me. This is mine. Come on. I'm gonna grab this. In my opinion, she likes this toy, but she likes this toy a lot better right here. I think I know why, because it has feathers, and like, my cats love feathers a lot more than like stuff like this. But she's playing with this a lot. right there. And so if you enjoy watching this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Goodbye!